Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like good food, this is the place to be. Come and have a little fun with your girl, KC. What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today, we are having some crab legs. I have some Dungeness, and I have some snow crab legs. And of course, I have Itswannie's seafood butter sauce. So if you're new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So let's jump right in, y'all, because the sauce is hot. So hey, y'all, hey. I hope y'all doing well today. I'm doing well. Come on, big man. There we go. Oof. Ooh, it's still hot. I let it cool down for a couple minutes, but baby, it's still a little hot. So thank y'all for watching the video yesterday. I really appreciate it. And some of y'all showed out in them comments. I ain't gonna say nothing. Y'all in the potato. Was y'all in what, watching it together? Y'all play too much. Did y'all see her eat that potato and then peel it? There was so many things in them doggone comments that made me laugh. Comedian. Straight comedian. And I can't even remember everything. Ooh, fat meat. Y'all hear thundering? It's been raining off and on all day. Sleep weather. At least for me. Oh. I need to put all that chunkiness on some rice. It's gonna be so good. And I had this part soaking in this in the sauce. Oh, that's good. I forgot, did I say it's lemonade in there? Because you know, Ashley tried me yesterday. I think that was Ashley. Talking about, is that some grown woman in the cup? No. You know I tell y'all every time. Nope. Then Glenda talking about I'm cheating with the king crab. King crab is my favorite now. No sis, snow crab is still my favorite. Dungeness, I like them all, y'all, but snow will forever be my favorite. It's good. So yeah, I seen everybody in the YouTube streets getting their butter sauces. I know that's right. Thank you to everybody that showed her major love. That was so sweet. A lot of y'all went over and checked out the website and stuff. That's when I saw it. Hold on, let me tell you. I don't know if I've been eating for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but so if you over on Facebook watching me, that's not my page. I don't know who that is. So right now, if you're watching me on Facebook, that's not my page. If there is a picture of me as the profile picture, that's not mine. I mean, that's me, but that's not my page. I don't run that page. And I felt so bad when I found out and had people over there leaving comments. Y'all never answer any comments over there because that's not my page. So if you watching me over there on Facebook, report that page because that's not mine. They're doing premieres and all kind of stuff. It's not me. And I feel bad that y'all over there leaving me messages. I talk on, I answer comments and do giveaways and stuff. Either on Instagram, which is KC_connection, or YouTube. But that one with my profile picture, that's not me. So if you see it, report it. Because I don't want nobody over there asking me questions and trying to talk to me over there. So if it has my profile picture, no, that's not me. That's not mine. The one that has my logo, that's mine. So all them videos, Who does that? And wow. But I had a good time talking to everybody last night. I don't know why I was up so late. I was up like 3 o'clock in the morning talking to y'all. Answering comments. So I appreciate y'all for leaving comments and talking and engaging and all that. It's probably the doggone lemonade KIONA made. Had me up all night. Culture. Ah, that's sweet. Mmm. The Dungeness has been bigger than the snow lately. They getting bigger and bigger. Have y'all noticed if you eat Dungeness? They getting bigger and bigger to me. When she held them up, I was like, oh goodness. Yeah, give me some of that. They so doggone good though. I would never turn down no Dungeness, no Snow or King. I sure wouldn't. Ooh. Mm. I think that's my favorite part about it. The onions and the garlic. It's good, good. Ooh, did I splash out? I can't tell. Hold on. Ooh, dog, this leg big. Meat just fall out. A lot of y'all talking about y'all having a seafood boil this weekend. I know that's right. Get your eat on. Send me a plate. I know that went somewhere. I don't know if it's on me or my cheek. Then yesterday, Alicia talking about, did you even try? Because my shirt had butter sauce everywhere. Did you even try to keep it off your shirt? Yes. So shout out to everybody out there starting businesses. Child, I know it's not easy. I salute y'all. Woo! I salute you. That is hard work. So, cause the reason I brought that up is because y'all talking about, now KC, when you coming out with a butter sauce, never. Y'all, that is work, okay? So then when they be back there in them kitchens and packaging this stuff up and trying to get it to everybody, excuse me, in a timely manner and stuff, they working, y'all. That is work. I'm enjoying everybody's sauce. I love the variety. Yeah, you can't be coming out, jumping out here talking about you want to do what you see other people successful at. You got to be willing and ready to make the sacrifices, do the work. I salute them. I really do. Because you don't know how something is until you actually jump out there in it. When you jump in it, That's when you find out the real deal. 'Cause I promise it look easier watching somebody else do it until you jump in it. Not only do you have to make the product, ship the product, stay in contact with your customers, and all that, It's a lot of work, y'all. I know it's not easy. Keeping the inventory up. It is no joke. Ooh, no. He told me. Who was that told me how? KIONA could help you. KIONA don't want to do that either. She like to do what she doing. She enjoys cooking. That's her hobby. That's her thing. She enjoys her thing. I would never want to put that on her. Put that stress on her. She got her own goals. No, ma'am. It's just like a job. You gotta work together every day. Me and KIONA don't work together every day. I know a lot of people think she cook every single thing go in my mouth and come in this room. I eat the dishes she make. She has her own schedule. Can you imagine working every day and being miserable in here? She better put some of that Carolina Reaper or something in my food. Y'all know y'all done been in business with family. So what some people have. Y'all done been in business with family. It gets real hectic. You have your good days and your bad days. You have your good mornings, your bad mornings. And then you gotta have that support system when you feel like just be like, I can't do this. Somebody gotta talk you back down. You know, at least once a week. Kit be talking to me at least once a week. I know he gets sick of me. You know? When you're going through a crisis, you want the person to feel the same way you feel at that very moment. Because they don't give you the response you want them to give you, you be mad. Child, please. Yeah. Me just jumping out here because you see somebody else successful in something. You got to be ready to make the same sacrifices. Put in the same amount of hours. I be trying to sleep till 12. Child, please. Y'all know when y'all get up and get ready to go, some of y'all go to work, y'all be mad. You be mad at the alarm clock. Mad at your phone. And you know it. You're counting down to your next day off. But when you're an entrepreneur and you know, gotta work, sometimes you don't get no day off. No days off. Until the job is done. So no, I'm not one to be jumping out here because I see somebody else doing something. Same thing with YouTube. You see, like, you watch people. I'm telling you, I did the same thing. You watch people. You're like, oh, that looks so fun. I really, really want to do that. You know? And then you finally get the courage to put your first video up and stuff. Then you're like, shoot, well, I didn't know I had to do all that. You got to do your thumbnail. You got to edit the video. You got to put in your tags. You got to do all this stuff. And then all you saw was them, you know, put up a video. Like, shoot, you ain't see all that other stuff that goes on. Prepping the food and all that stuff. You're like, shoot. And most people that get in after watching someone be like, girl, I didn't know it was all that. Then imagine doing a whole video and the mic not on. I'm telling you, it's grown people out here crying, okay? Because I was one of them. You do a whole video and your camera wasn't recording. Or you do a whole video or the mic wasn't on. Or you do a whole video and your card is damaged. Baby. But yeah, it looks easy. So no, I salute all of them. Man, I pray that their businesses prosper and they get everything they need and they want out of it. I pray they can get them a little bit of rest in between so they can enjoy this moment that you worked so hard for. That hole is splashing. Alright, y'all, so that's it. That is it. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.